Okay, notice that there are text labels for the player score. It's called score 1 label and score 2 label. Let's see. Oh, there they are. Score 1 label, score 2 label. Excellent. It's a little smaller here. Now, add set text statements at the end of the update score by function. All right, let's find that first. Update score by. There it is. Set text statements. All right. And the label for player 1 should look like this. Oh, they tell us. So I'm going to make this score label. Where is it? There it is. Score 1 label. And we want to update it to the variable. It's going to go find what that score is. P1 score. Notice how they give their variables and labels really good names. Score 1 label, P1 score. It just makes life so much easier. And I wanted to do the same thing for my player 2. All right. You can actually play the game now. Let's see. And what's good about it is there's a problem. I can look at my debug console. I'm like, all right, player 1 goes. Got it correct. All right. Now player 2 goes. Oop, they got it correct. All right, player 1 goes. Oop, they got it wrong. Oof, -5. All right, player 2 goes. They've got it. All right. So this is totally working. And if this stuff was not lining up with this stuff, I'd know I have a bug immediately, and I could probably find it pretty fast. All right, man, I think we've got it. Oh, that was easy. All right. So just real quick, I want to take a look at page 18. I'm not going to give you the answers for 18. This is like for double bonus amazingness. Pick a way for the game to end and implement it. So think back to our clicker game. Like if the score hit a certain point, you switch to a game over screen. They've given you a game over screen. So essentially, the way to think about it is that once the score hits a certain point, you can decide, maybe if they get 10, is that you want to switch screen, set the screen to something else, and then you want to highlight whoever's won and then hide this one of whoever's not there. Does that make sense? So it should say either player 1 wins or player 2 wins. All right. Show which player won by showing that label. All right. We've provided the game over screen. Awesome. And they gave you some suggestions. If you're stuck for ideas, have the first player to reach a score of 10 be the winner. Add a function like check game over and call it from the check correct. Oh, they pretty much given it to you. All right, so you're going to need some if statements. You're going to need to like hide one and show the other element, which are these player 2 win and player 1 win labels, I believe. All right, this you're on your own. I'm going to make you do this. This is to get a 95 instead of an 85. So see if you can figure it out. They pretty much tell you. You create a new function called check game over, and then you call it in the check correct function. Remember, calling it is when you just drag over this little bit. All right, good luck. You got this.